So welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to take you with me as I go to work and as I work on some baskets later on today. Wow, it's a beautiful morning this morning. The sun's coming up. Well, it looks like we're here. So what I do on my ladders like this, whenever I carry stuff up, take one of my ratchet straps or whatever I have. So I just take back off a couple screws right there in the bottom and tie my strap up on the roof in that way around my ladder. So therefore it won't blow over when it's windy or whenever I'm going up and down. And I can just put my snow guard right up against it or whatever I will be doing up there on the roof. That way I don't have to be concerned of it falling off. So today I'm doing right around 200 foot of snow guard. Each piece is right around 10 foot. And what I'm doing on the up here on top, due to the fact that the roof is a little bit bigger, I'm stair stepping each piece due to the fact that the width of the roof, the length of it, because due to the fact I'll have more snow, most likely in the winter, pushing down against it, and it'll just help with the friction. Pushing down against my snow guard and helps with the purlings that where I'm fastening the snow guard to. So in the same way, I stair step my screws in each piece, just due to the fact of I don't need a screw on each rip, 2 screws on each rip, in the bottom and the top. For example, if I was to put all my screws in the top, Now whenever there's a strong wind or a vibration on the bottom of my snow guard, if I put them all on the bottom, now with a lot of pressure against there with the snow and ice, now it'll just full over. Now I don't really gain nothing with my snow guard. It'll just literally tear it off, and I'll have holes in the screws, leaking roof. So here on the bottom, where I have a smaller roof, I just run it all one length. Due to the fact I don't need, if I was to do what I was doing on the top, I wouldn't really gain much, just due to the fact that there's space so far. And down here, a shorter roof, I don't have near as much pressure down against my snow guard. So, yeah. Time I see clouds like this, I think of the scripture where it's Matthew 16. He replied, "You know the saying, red skies at night means fair weather tomorrow. Red skies in the morning means full weather all day. You know how to interpret the weather signs in the sky, but you don't know how to interpret the signs of the times." So today the owner came out and asked me if we need apples, and after talking to my wife, and she's like, "Yeah, we'll take a bag full of apples." So I going up here and picking apples, and I'm not sure what kind they are, but they're very delicious. And here's a jar of fermented apples.
Well, looks like I just got done in time. Now I'm gonna head on home and work on a custom basket order that we've got this weekend at the market. Man, what a beautiful day.
So as you can see, I stopped beside the road because I forgot to fill up my water cup. So here we are. So we have never built this style of basket before, so thanks for joining us as we build this basket together.
Cut this one down? Oh.
I need 6 more to quarter one.